Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OneDrive version history for shared project files, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the OneDrive website and sign in to your Microsoft account. Locate the folder containing the shared project files. Right-click on the folder or file you want to enable version history for. Select Version History from the drop-down menu. If version history is not currently enabled, a prompt may appear. Confirm that you want to turn on version history. Once enabled, any changes made to the file will automatically create a new version. To check the version history, right-click on the file again. Select Version History to view a list of all saved versions. You will see the details for each version, including timestamps and authors. To restore a previous version, click on the desired version from the list. Select Restore to revert to that earlier version. You can also download a version if you wish to keep a copy before restoring. To manage version limits, navigate to OneDrive settings. Adjust the version history settings according to your project needs. After configuring, ensure that all team members are aware of the changes. Begin collaborating on your shared project files with version history active. This will enhance your workflow and provide an audit trail for your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.